Hello, language educators and teacher trainees. Welcome to Unlocking Language Learning, your guide to integrating AI in the classroom. I know, AI can sound like a big, perhaps even overwhelming, topic. Many of us feel a mix of excitement and concern when new technologies arrive. But I want you to know you are not alone in these feelings. This journey is one we're navigating together. My goal today is to help you see how basic AI tools aren't here to replace the incredible work you do. Instead, they are here to enhance your teaching, make learning more personalized for your students, and free up your valuable time. We'll explore specific tools, walk through a step-by-step process for integrating them, discuss potential challenges, and offer practical strategies you can apply right away. Let's embrace this future, not as a threat, but as an opportunity to revolutionize language education. Why AI for language teaching? First, let's talk about reasons for integrating AI into language teaching. AI's core strength is its ability to adapt to individual needs. Imagine a learning experience tailored perfectly for each student. This is what AI can offer. 1. Personalized learning. AI tools can analyze a student's progress, learning style, and even interests. This allows them to adjust the content, pacing, and recommendations in real time. For language learners, this means they can focus on areas where they need the most support, whether it is grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. This is especially crucial for students with diverse needs, including those with special needs or different linguistic backgrounds. 2. Increased engagement. When learning materials are tailored, students become more engaged. AI can make learning interactive through gamified quizzes, polls, and simulations. For shy students, AI can be a safe space to practice speaking or ask questions without fear of judgment, boosting their confidence to participate in class later. 3. Teacher empowerment and efficiency. Let's be honest, teachers are often busy with administrative tasks. AI can be your invisible assistant, automating routine tasks like grading simpler assignments or providing initial feedback. This frees up your time to do what you do best, focus on meaningful one-on-one interactions, creative lesson planning, and addressing complex student needs. As one educator put it, AI gives you back time. Specific AI tools for your language classroom. Let's dive into some specific AI tools that can directly benefit your language teaching, along with their unique advantages. 1. AI writing assistants, example Jasper, ChatGPT. These tools can be invaluable for creating language-specific lesson plans, generating quizzes, or developing supplementary content. They support content creation in multiple languages. B. You can ask them to generate sample texts for assignments, or provide definitions at different complexity levels for your students. C. They can even reword content in a variety of voices or styles, helping students understand different registers or literary techniques. D. For students, these tools can help with brainstorming ideas for projects or even drafting persuasive scripts for presentations in the target language. They can also help students improve their vocabulary and writing by suggesting edits, allowing students to reflect on and apply those changes. You can also use them to summarize texts or create leveled text sets to differentiate reading materials for various proficiency levels in your class. 2. AI-powered language learning platforms, example LinguaBot. These platforms often leverage natural language processing, NLP, and speech recognition. B. They offer real-time conversation practice, correct pronunciation, and provide personalized vocabulary exercises. Imagine students practicing speaking without fear of embarrassment. C. They customize the curriculum to fit a student's specific performance, preferences, and learning pace. D. Some even offer cultural immersion through real-world scenarios or virtual reality, bringing the language to life in its cultural context. This leads to faster progress and improved proficiency. 3. AI transcription and voiceover tools, example Otter.ai, MoveAI. Otter.ai can convert live or recorded speech into text in real time. This is perfect for transcribing lectures or discussions in the target language, giving students clear notes to review later. Beamov AI allows you to create AI-powered voiceovers for audiobooks or lessons. You can create listening materials in any language, adjusting the tone and style to fit your lesson's needs. 4 gamified learning and engagement tools, example quizzes, WooClap, Classcraft. These tools use AI to create interactive quizzes, polls, and Q&A sessions that make learning fun. They can adjust the difficulty of questions based on student performance. For language classes, you can create quick vocabulary quizzes, grammar challenges, or comprehension checks, getting immediate insights into student understanding. 5 collaborative reading platforms, example Perusall. This tool allows students to engage with reading assignments collaboratively through annotations and discussions. For language learners, this can facilitate deeper engagement with authentic texts, as they discuss meanings and interpretations together. The platform can even adapt content based on their participation. 6 AI for special education and accessibility, example Help Me See, Microsoft Live. AI offers groundbreaking solutions for diverse learners. Speech recognition software and communication aids can provide a voice for nonverbal students. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text functionalities make content accessible for visually impaired students or those with reading difficulties. Tools like Microsoft Live can translate classroom instructions in real time, providing subtitles in students' native languages, which is incredibly helpful for multilingual learners and their families. Help Me See at the University of Alicante even helps visually impaired students navigate their campus with computer vision. Blending AI effectively, your step-by-step approach. Integrating AI doesn't have to be a daunting leap. Think of it as a thoughtful, measured process. Step 1, identify your classroom needs. Before you even think about tools, consider, what specific challenges are your language students facing? Are they struggling with pronunciation, lack of speaking practice, or engaging with reading materials? Where do you feel you need more time or support in your teaching? Are administrative tasks bogging you down? Review your curriculum goals to pinpoint areas where AI could truly enhance learning. Diagnose before you prescribe. Step 2, choose the right tool. With so many options, how do you choose? Prioritize alignment with your educational goals. Does the tool genuinely support your language learning objectives? Look for ease of use. An overly complicated tool will cause more frustration than benefit. Crucially, assess data privacy and security. Understand how your students' data is collected and used. Always anonymize sensitive personal information when interacting with AI tools. Consider scalability and flexibility. Can the tool adapt to different language levels, topics, or even integrate with other platforms you use? Don't forget cost effectiveness. Many excellent free or open source AI tools are available, and some schools can access grants to support tech integration. A practical tip, start with a pilot program. Test a tool with a small group of students or in one lesson before wider adoption. Step 3, plan and prepare. Set clear goals for what you hope to achieve with the AI tool. What does success look like for this specific integration? Engage your stakeholders. Talk to your colleagues, school administrators, and especially parents. Their understanding and support are vital. And don't forget your students, involve them in the conversation. Ensure your infrastructure is ready. Do you have reliable internet and compatible devices? Invest in training, for yourself and your students. Hands-on workshops where you can experiment with the tools are incredibly valuable. Step 4, implement and support. Frame AI as a powerful learning tool, not a shortcut. Teach students to use AI responsibly, focusing on critical thinking, not mindless copy-pasting. Establish clear support channels for technical issues. Monitor and adapt continuously. AI is evolving rapidly, so your strategies should too. Regular check-ins on how the tools are working are essential. Potential limitations and how to navigate them. While AI offers immense benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the potential pitfalls. Over-reliance and diminished critical thinking. Students might be tempted to use AI to avoid genuine cognitive effort, leading to a superficial understanding. Strategy: design assignments that require students to go beyond what an AI can simply generate. Encourage classroom discussions, collaborative projects, or creative demonstrations of learning where genuine human thought is essential. Ask students to analyze why AI gives a certain answer, or to challenge its logic. This fosters deeper engagement and critical thinking. Bias and inaccuracies. AI models are trained on human-generated data, which can contain societal biases or stereotypes, leading to unfair or inaccurate outputs. AI can also hallucinate or generate false information. Strategy: teach media literacy and digital citizenship. Always critically evaluate AI-generated content and cross-reference information. Emphasize that human oversight is crucial to correct inaccuracies and ensure fairness. Privacy and data security. AI tools collect vast amounts of data, raising concerns about privacy breaches or misuse of sensitive student information. Strategy: be transparent with students and parents about what data is collected and how it's used and protected. Anonymize sensitive student details. Schools should implement robust data protection policies and consider appointing a data protection officer. Loss of human touch/socio-emotional development. AI cannot replicate the emotional support, mentorship, and nuanced human interaction that teachers provide. Strategy: use AI to free up your time for human interaction. Focus on building relationships, facilitating group work, and engaging in activities that require unique human qualities like empathy and creativity. Digital divide and unequal access. Not all students have equal access to technology or high-speed internet, which could worsen educational inequalities. Strategy: advocate for increased funding for educational technology. Explore partnerships with tech companies or community organizations to provide devices and internet access. Adopt mobile-friendly AI solutions and ensure AI tools are culturally responsive and accessible to all students, regardless of their background or disability. Teacher resistance and workload concerns. Fear of obsolescence, discomfort with new technology, and the perceived time commitment for training can be barriers. Strategy: remember, AI is designed to give you more time, not less. Participate in professional development that clearly demonstrates AI's practical benefits and eases your burdens. Listen to peer testimonials from colleagues who have successfully integrated AI. Start small with pilot programs to build confidence. You are not alone, so I share with you practical strategies. Remember, you are part of a global community of educators navigating this shift. We learn best by sharing our experiences, triumphs, and challenges. Here are some practical strategies you can start implementing today. 1. Embrace tomorrow glasses. Instead of viewing AI through the lens of how we taught yesterday, think about how it can prepare your students for their future. This means being open to new approaches, even if they're imperfect at first. 2. Leverage AI for your tasks. A lesson planning and content creation. Use AI to generate quick ideas for lesson plans, create quizzes, or develop review content like flashcards. B. Differentiation. Ask AI to create leveled texts or personalized exercises for different student needs in your language class. C. Feedback drafts. You can use AI to generate initial drafts for student feedback, parent emails, or even IEP goals. Remember to always add your unique human touch and professional judgment before sending. This saves time while maintaining your authentic voice. 3. Foster critical thinking in students, with AI. A. Grade the AI or debate the AI. Give your students an AI-generated essay or response and ask them to grade it using your rubric, or debate the AI's stance on a topic. This teaches critical evaluation in a low-stakes environment. B. Remix AI content. Have students take an AI-generated text and remix it into a different genre or style, example a story into a nursery rhyme or rap. This sparks creativity and deepens understanding. C. Teach prompt engineering, help students learn how to formulate clear, specific prompts to get the best results from AI tools. This is a valuable skill for their future careers. 4. Prioritize human connection, use the time AI saves you to focus on the human elements of teaching, one-on-one mentorship, leading dynamic discussions, or designing creative projects that require collaboration and emotional intelligence. These are the invaluable aspects of your role that AI cannot replicate. 5. Engage in open dialogue, talk with your students, colleagues, and parents about AI's role, its benefits, and its challenges. This builds trust, dispels myths, and fosters a shared understanding of how AI can transform education responsibly. In conclusion, artificial intelligence offers an incredible opportunity to transform language learning, making it more personalized, engaging, and efficient for every student. Remember, AI is a powerful tool to enhance your incredible human capacity as an educator, not to replace it. You are central to this evolution. By understanding the tools, planning thoughtfully, addressing limitations, and embracing collaboration, you can take actionable steps today to adapt AI into your language teaching. You are empowered, and you are not alone. Let's explore the infinite potential of AI in education together, shaping a dynamic, inclusive, and highly effective future for language learners everywhere. Thank you.